We are going to demonstrate the accident detection system using IoT in this video, which was presented by Purnasa M, Pravin Raj MR, Rishi V, Saravanan C from RMD Engineering College from the branch of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now let's step into the introduction. As per WHO, more than million individuals on the planet passes on every year on the account of vehicle mishaps. Regardless of mindfulness cause, this issue is yet expanding because of riders' poor practices. The components required for the accident detection systems are Arduino UNO, GSM Module, LCD, ESP8266, Wi-Fi module, MEM sensor, temperature sensor and a pulse sensor. Now let's see what is Arduino UNO. Arduino boards are able to read inputs and turn it into an output. Arduino consists of both a physical programmable circuit board and a piece of software or IDE.
GSM Module. It stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a device that uses GSM mobile telephone technology to provide a data link to a remote network. It is used to send message to the other person when accident occurs. LCD. It stands for Liquid Crystal Display. It is a flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals. ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Low-cost Wi-Fi microchip with a full TCP or IP stack and microcontroller capability. Self-contained SoC with integrated TCP or IP protocol stack that gives microcontroller access to Wi-Fi network. MEM sensor. MEM stands for Micro Electromechanical System Sensor. MEM sensor recognizes the vehicle's vibration and sends electrical signal to controller. It used to find the latitude and longitude of the vehicle and detects if the accident has occurred. Temperature sensor, an electronic device that measures the temperature of its environment and converts the input data into electronic data to record or monitor the temperature changes. Pulse sensor, an electronic device that measures the heartbeat, that is the speed of the heartbeat using an optical LED light source and LED light sensor. The light shines through the skin and measures the amount of light that reflects back. The light reflection will vary as blood pulses under the skin pass the light. The variations in the light reflections are interpreted as heartbeats. In this slide, you can see the diagram, that is the block diagram of accident detection system.
Now let me explain all the components. This is Arduino UNO, this is GSM module, this is Wi-Fi module, and this is heartbeat sensor, this is temperature sensor, and this is MEM sensor, and this is LCD display panel. Now we shall see the working of the project. Now I am giving 12 volts as the input, and now the circuit is on. Here we can check the heartbeat value and which is displayed in the LCD panel, and also temperature value is also measured. This is MEM sensor connected to the vehicle. When the vehicle falls upside down or turns, it will indicate M in the abnormal section, where a message will be sent to the given mobile number or it will be uploaded in the mobile website. This is how we get messages while accident occurs. That message contains two numerical values, which is one is longitude value and other is latitude value. This is how we get updated in the cloud with a heartbeat value, temperature value, and the accident occurred longitude and latitude value of the location. Then the date and time is also noted. We can search and filter with the date and time in this website.
Let's see the advantage of accident detection system. Low cost of solution for the automobile position and status. Immediate medication will be provided to the accident victims in the remote area. Disadvantage of accident detection system. The problem is blockage of signal transmission by mountains, high buildings and tunnels. Implementations. Each and every individual must possess a unique medical ID and the ID can be linked with the other. This saves a lot of time for the doctors, which saves the life of patient. We can make the heartbeat sensor and temperature sensor in wristband. which driver can wear and it connected by Bluetooth. Let's see some reference links. Thank you for giving this opportunity.